Have you ever wondered what makes a leader truly remarkable? What gives them the power to inspire and transform those around them? Leadership is not merely about commanding or managing. It's about influencing, directing, and more importantly, inspiring. It's this power to inspire that can steer the course of society and create a cascade of transformative effects. Enter James McGregor Burns, a political scientist who brought a fresh perspective to the concept of leadership. He introduced us to transformational leadership, a style of leadership that goes beyond mere exchange and reward. Transformational leaders inspire, they motivate, they stimulate intellectual growth. They are not just leaders in the traditional sense, they are visionaries who dare to challenge the status quo. They are catalysts who inspire their followers to not only achieve extraordinary outcomes, but to also unlock their own leadership potential. Transformational leaders don't just lead, they ignite a spark of greatness in others. Consider the story of Indra Nooyi, the former CEO of PepsiCo. Nooyi's leadership style echoed the tenets of transformational leadership, a concept coined by James McGregor Burns. She believed in the power of a compelling vision. During her tenure, Nooyi implemented a corporate strategy named Performance with Purpose, a vision that sought not only financial performance, but also long-term sustainable growth. Nooyi's leadership was not about dictating terms, but about challenging her team intellectually. She encouraged them to think outside the box, to push boundaries, and to see possibilities where others saw obstacles. She created an environment where personal and professional growth was not only possible, but encouraged. By fostering this culture of innovation and growth, she guided PepsiCo to extraordinary outcomes. The company saw consistent growth, expanded its portfolio, and strengthened its position in the global market. Nooyi's story is a testament to the power of transformational leadership. It's about inspiring, motivating, and empowering individuals to reach beyond their potential, ultimately leading to extraordinary results. So what can we learn from transformational leaders like Nooyi? Transformational leaders inspire a shared vision. They paint a picture of the future that's so compelling, it's impossible not to want to be a part of it. They challenge the process, constantly pushing boundaries and driving innovation. They enable others to act, fostering an environment of trust and collaboration. And they encourage the heart, recognizing the contributions of their team and celebrating their successes. The impact of transformational leadership on organizations and individuals is profound. It boosts morale, increases productivity, and fosters a culture of continuous improvement. It's about more than just achieving goals. It's about inspiring others to exceed their own expectations and to realize their own leadership potential. Embrace transformational leadership in your own life. See the vision, challenge the status quo, empower others, and celebrate the journey. As Burns once said, leadership is not a search for consensus, but a molding of consensus. Be the leader who molds, transforms, and inspires.